The prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU Ile-Ife, has officially announced the commencement of the 2025 admission screening exercise for candidates who selected the institution as their first choice in the 2025 UTME and those applying via direct entry, that is the DE platform. The screening, which includes the post-UTME examination, will run from Monday, July 21st to Sunday, August 24, 2025. The university has outlined a streamlined process for candidates. Registration begins at the OAU admission portal at admissions.oauife.edu.ng, where applicants must log in using their registration number as the username and their surname as the password, case sensitive. Candidates are required to obtain an RRR code, that is remitter retrieval reference, from the site, using it to make payment online or at any commercial bank and complete the process. Upon successful payment, the system will log out, allowing candidates to log in again to proceed. Key details include: 1. The screening exercise will be conducted online. 2. Candidates providing false information or uploading incorrect credentials will be automatically disqualified. 3. The screening schedule will be available on the OAU admission portal from Thursday, July 24, 2025. Fourthly, participation in the post-UTME screening is mandatory, with allotted days to be noted from the portal. 5. A screening fee of 2,000 naira, excluding portal access charges, applies. 6. OAU does not endorse or encourage candidates to patronize admission agents. Additional guidelines on eligibility for UTME DE foreign and disabled candidates are available at admissions.oauife.edu.ng/guidelines. For further inquiries, candidates are directed to email post-UTME2025@oauife.edu.ng. Signed by Mr. K.A. Bakare, Registrar and Secretary to Council. This exercise underscores OAU's commitment to a transparent and merit-based admission process. Just to remind you that intensive tutorial for all students preparing for this year's OAU post-UTME, OAU pre-degree entrance examination, OAU JUPEP entrance examination, as well as OAU School of Nursing entrance examination is currently in progress at Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. Akahi Tutors offer decent hostel accommodation for students who are not Ife resident at a bearable cost. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akahi Tutors at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife, or call the management directly on 08038 644 328. Thank you.